Let me tell you something that most people in America are starting to feel, but not everyone is ready to accept it. AI is no longer just a tool, it's becoming a replacement. And this shift is happening faster than anyone expected, because when companies like Meta start talking about cutting thousands of jobs while simultaneously investing billions into artificial intelligence,
And it could happen. Here is the quick update. Meta has denied those layoffs reports and called them speculative, but the bigger conversation about AI and jobs is still very real.
that's not a coincidence, that's a signal. What it tells us is simple: businesses are now choosing efficiency over headcount, and AI is becoming that efficiency layer that never sleeps, never complains, and scales instantly. And if you're watching this thinking that won't affect me, that's exactly what people said during automation waves in the past. But this time it's different, because AI is not just replacing manual labor, it's entering creative, analytical, and decision making roles. Which means white collar jobs are no longer safe zones. And here is the reality that no one is saying clearly: this is not just about jobs disappearing overnight, it's about roles in evolving so fast that people don't adapt will slowly become irrelevant in the system. And that's where the opportunity also lies, because the same AI that replacing jobs is also creating new leverage for people who understand it clearly. So the real question is not will AI take jobs? That question is already outdated. The real question is, are you position yourself on the side that benefits from AI or the side that gets replaced by it? Because in the next few years the gap between those two groups is going to be massive. And right now in the United States, it's just a beginning of that shift. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye.